Patrick, buddy.
No, that nigga finna ski up off this. He go down the stairs and do this.
Hey, this nigga nasty as hell.
Camera, want to everybody who love you. Cause don't nobody in here like you. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, put the camera on, bro. Y'all niggas putting this shit on live, bro. I gotta get paid. Bro, this nigga.
I'm the one at the bottom, y'all. He the one at the top.
He think, yo. That nigga, hey, it be cold outside. That nigga knows me too. I don't know if you heard this, nigga. Hey, this nigga be cold and get icicles and just daily. Hey, nigga, y'all need to get y'all lights together, nigga.
Hell no.
Nigga be jumping up against it. Hey,
Jumping up
what you
against
doing, nigga? Hey. Hell no. Walking down the street, he's like, hey, nigga. I don't know if you seen this. He's like, hey, nigga. I don't know if you seen this. You ain't living your life right.
That nigga boogeyman. Hey, I don't know who needs to hear this, but maybe you do.
Man, you gotta be ready to get rich or die trying. Get your ass out that bed and let's go get this bag. Man, get your ass up and get the grind. Ain't nobody finna keep feeling sorry for your ass. Get up and you gonna get to this bag and you gonna get to this money.
Oh my God. But man, as y'all can see, we at the barber shop. You know what time it is, man. iPhone.
Hey, that's actually loose now. It ain't
Yeah.
all sitting there sticking. I think it's looking like icicles on the side of the head. She has that shit in there.
You good? We rolling? Alright, y'all. Get my haircut. Y'all know what's going on. Feeling good. Just tell Stormy I'm happy right now. You know, without a haircut, that lifestyle is just horrible. Nobody look at you to say you look homeless. You feel broken. It's like getting your heart broken, not having a haircut. Yeah, my dog RJ just got butter. Go ahead and show him your cut, bro.
What's going on? We're gonna see, man. That boy Stormy. Definitely drop that happy birthday, man. For real. But y'all see Stormy just buttered, man. Stormy, where can they book at you? For the people that don't know.
Some of that car right over there.
Make it, you know?
Y'all know what's going on though, man. It's the process behind the scenes of RJ's birthday studio video today. To me, one of his biggest videos, man. I'm proud of him. Make sure y'all go watch that video when it drops. And yeah, I'm on the camera today, so I brought my iPhone out. I'm gonna be filming RJ's video. I'm gonna be back when I get done.
Hold on,
You
get
definitely
home.
look like somebody auntie right now, for sure.
I am somebody, ain't
She riding buses with the kids.
AT made more money than a lot of niggas. Like that now.
Oh, my bad, big dog. Don't me.
That nigga just got
Patrick, buddy. Baby. Turkey leg.
Bro, that nigga said Pat.
For real, I mean, you practice so big to get your own right.
Yeah, y'all. Cut finna be over with. You know how Stormy get. You know, my wife watching this video right now.
You're on Twitch, bro.
No, I'm on YouTube.
You on YouTube?
My future wife watching this video.
Put on Twitch. See, that's what y'all niggas don't. You trying to put everybody. I need some money. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need some chicken.
How much I owe you?
Shit, 25.
20?
Yeah,
20? Oh, 25?
Yeah. Yeah.
For sure.
I know this ain't this nigga that be putting shit on the
Oh, shit. Boy got a whole lot of gay shit, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what? Do I need some chicken? Because look, I'm adding sauce and you put me on camera.
I got you.
What do I need some? And you want to see the transformation too? You see, because don't put me on here like this and try to. Just go to the barbershop. Tell them where I'm at. It's New Year's. He said, nah, I ain't gonna make it all. Like, yeah, I feel like I'm like, they like me up right now. Come on, man. I'm gonna get. Come on, man. Come on, man. No, I'm gonna take all this off. You were finna get me off of there. You're not finna get me off of content. I'm here.
hip too much.
know what's
Hip
going
to this
on.
game.
Y'all finna act to y'all so something negatory.
Hey, that nigga funny as hell.
You wanna know what it is?
Funny as hell.
Negative. But yeah, y'all, man.
Y'all gonna go up.
Nah, for sure.
Yeah.
Another year. I know what time it is, man. Nigga fresh as hell. Don't watch me, nigga. Watch your.
Oh my god, he's dying! Call 911!
What's the number? Really, nigga?
Nigga, you need to be talking like that nigga that pulled up on you, man. Don't talk like that. This niggas get haircuts talking about watch your. This nigga pulled up like
15 more minutes. I'll
I
tell y'all
pull
what.
up teaching niggas.
Look, that's what you gotta talk. Add me. What's the instance? You gotta drop, share, comment, subscribe, nigga. I know the game. Come on, man. You ain't gonna hit me like that, nigga. I'm watching on camera. Y'all gonna hit me like nigga, like, comment, share,
Picture like
subscribe.
up. Hey, he did a picture like up.
I look like, oh, nigga, I ain't slow to this. Hey, somebody else. Hold on. I'm on camera. Hold on. I don't want to be yet. I gotta brand myself. My name EP though. They know me by EP.
That nigga Muhammad Freeman.
Alright, back on EP.
You thought you gonna do that?
Hell no.
Wrong dog.
Hell no. Tell my fucking dog.
Shit. Hurry up. Fuck him off. Don't you got one to say?
Hell no.
Yeah, you know what?
If you didn't watch it, it's your uncle, man. All black too. That nigga dangerous. You see that nigga with the back of my head?
Bro, you ain't know. Man, nigga, this is air. You really don't know nothing about it. I might be dangerous with them all, because you might fall over and them. You like, wow.
Hey, the karate really is the go.
No, that's long as hell. No, that's what you gotta know. That nigga finna ski up out this bitch. They walk down the stairs, he finna do this. Two little scammer doing this. He finna ski down the stairs with them long dunks on. That nigga don't even know what you talking about, man. I'm somebody, bro. You wanna jump? I just look like this. Wrong dog. Yeah, I know. Slow down. Yeah, nasty face. Get your goofy ass out here. Dry one. How long you been eating candy? How long you been losing? Goofy ass nigga. Them tight ass pants on. You can't off this nigga with them thuggers on. Oh my god! Man, them is not really to your ass popping. Put your hands down, boy. You're not in the courtroom.
He got
That
it.
nigga thought he had something.
Hey, this nigga nasty as
Get in
hell.
the camera. Talk to everybody who love you. Cause don't nobody in here like you. Dog.
Nobody like them shoes either.
Man, don't nobody like them ruffles in your jeans, nigga. Stop playing with me, man. You better fly up out of here, man. You gotta get tired. Put your hands down, bro. You are not
Baby,
the
chill
man. Who is he pointing at? That's what he do, y'all. Y'all know him. Oh, it was him. Bro.
Oh my
Hall of
god.
Fame. Yeah. Pardon me.
No, you funny as hell though.
I'm somebody too. You ain't gotta be dazzled spelled off. Go with him. Get him up out of here. Get him up out of here.
Hell no.
Him. You are a Star Spangled Banner. Get him up out of here. You losing, my nigga. You losing, my nigga.
Y'all niggas got it today. We ain't going nowhere, nigga.
What you said? You ain't going nowhere. Now with that motherfucking Spangled Banner on. That nigga dressed like a rhinestone cowboy.
Oh, Lord.
my God.
Hey,
I need some
it's not
chicken,
even
bro.
funny,
No,
like, if it was funny, I get it when it's not funny.
Yeah, because it's about you, nigga. It
Your
was
man ain't nasty as hell.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Cut the camera off, bro. Y'all niggas put on live, bro. I gotta get paid. Bro, this nigga. Huh? Bro, y'all niggas gotta quit playing with me, bro. I know.
The camera ain't on you?
Nah, it's still audio, nigga. It's still content. Y'all niggas think y'all smart. He trying to get me going. Look, he round up. He can't even sit comfortable. You got somewhere to be, my nigga. Go there. You chilling.
What time is it? You gotta call that Uber. My phone over there?
Let me see it.
You done?
Later that same evening.
All right, y'all. My nigga Ty got RJ be that good.
You remember my
Oh,
exactly.
yeah.
I told you.
Hey, that's
bro.
a real
I got
nigga
you.
right here,
Man, I got you, bro. Bag yours too. Shit, that's
My nigga
that's-
Ty,
Ty,
that bitch
man.
good.
Yeah.
That's so
Hey, you a real nigga, man. I ain't gonna lie. I love this shit,
Of
man.
course,
For real.
bro.
Appreciate you,
Of course,
man.
nigga.
My nigga Ty been with a nigga since, you know, day one. Real nigga like you.
No cap.
Oh shit.
Big video today, man.
Coming up next, bro. Stay in tune, man.
And my nigga Ty fresh as hell too. Don't sleep, nigga. That nigga flee. Tuned in to the realest in the game. You are now tuned in to the realest in the game, man. Happy New Year! Come on, man. First day of the new year. I'm feeling good. I hope y'all feeling good. You feel me? I'm in the gym right now. Finna get the great session in. Start the year off right. Gotta start the year off right. First day in the year, and I'm in the gym, man. Y'all know what's going on. Definitely gonna be seeing me with my camera out more, vlogging. So. Damn. But yeah, man. I'm in the gym with it. First day of the new year, I'm feeling good. God bless y'all. I hope y'all have a beautiful year this year. It's the day after RJ's birthday. Y'all seen the vlog footage from yesterday. But yeah, man, it's currently like 1 o'clock. I'm finna get this little workout in, and I'm gonna be back. Hell no.
I guess.
Let's see if I finish knocking them down. I already won 2 games.
Cap.
I'm capping. Hey, mom. You lying, dog.
About time.
No.
Do more. More. More.
Yeah, though, y'all, though. Late night at the bowling alley. Probably vibing today. You're gonna get it. Right. She couldn't finish the game. Now look at the score, right? You think you gonna win? Okay. Watch this comeback. I'm doing this for y'all. I need 1,000 likes on this video if I come back. You're getting out of here.
I have mango flowers. Mango flowers. Yeah, I was
Am I up now? Am I winning now? Listen, y'all. Look at the score, right? She was on that with me. I ain't gonna lie. She was on that with me. I'm just a goat for. It's gonna be the 3rd game in a row, man. 3-peat. I feel like MJ, man, in the '96 finals, man. Wait, hold on. In the comments, man, rate my fit 1 through 10 today. You know, I got the scarf on. You know, brand new ice on the neck.
Just see.
But yeah, man, rate the fit. Damn, icy. That's icy. Rate the fit in the comments, though, man.
That's only if you strike the ball. Wait. Yeah, it's still mine.
not smart. You don't need that.
You think you gonna win? Or you think you gonna lose? I think you gonna lose.
I don't want to play.
Damn. Supposedly she let me win. Things of that nature. Wait, is my turn still? Get this last shot for me real quick, man. The game winner. You're not even looking if you get the right hand.
Yeah.
Hey, she ain't shit, bro.
That's sad as fuck.
Shit, a blowout, man.
I'm the one at the bottom, y'all. He the one at the top.
You trying to say I'm the one at the top?
Yo! Alright, y'all, man. Y'all made it to the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope y'all make sure y'all enjoyed that, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe before we get up out of here. I need y'all to drop new video ideas. It's 2024. I'm coming with that good energy in front of that camera. I'm coming like that behind the camera. I'm coming like this 24/7. Every day, I'm waking up and I'm on that grind, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. This was another vlog from your one and only justhodo. School start back up soon. Sure y'all will be having more vlogs. Get ready for the best content. These 2016 vibes. That's what I'm gonna title this video. YouTube in 2016 vibes off the iPhone. That's the title of this video. And yeah, road sessions was in here. I went bowling. It was a lot in this video. It was the 2016 vibes, iPhone vlogs, 2017, 2018, 2020 vibes. It's these old content, that old YouTube bag. But yeah, I'm there, man. Ain't nobody else doing it like I'm doing it. I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Young Drip.
Youngin' from the project members, sleeping on them couches, empty stomach, ramen noodles, I ain't had no steak. Now I'm flying private with these groupies on this island, fucked her once and kicked her out, no she can't stay. Staying in my lane, got this hustle for my pops. It's only there for jail when you playin' in these streets. So if you living that life, nigga, you better keep your heat. Sitting in the trenches on my way to the top.